Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Laxon and today is iPhone 15 Pro time. So with new iPhone 15 Pro just launched, got the Pro version here in the natural color. So we're going to be doing unboxing of that. But on top of that, we are going to be checking out this review kit from Ringke. So I want to give them a big shout out for sending this review kit file for me to review. Some goodies, some cases, screen protectors. Let's see what goodies they got sent out for me today. So a huge shout out to them for sending this box out for me to review. But first, let's get this iPhone unboxing done. So of course I went for this neutral color. So the iPhone comes in 4 different new colors. You've got black, silver / white, a new dark blue, and then you have this natural finish, this nice titanium. So yeah, that looks nice. So yeah, this is a very nice color. To see, this looks nice. Let's just peel this off. So satisfying. So let me just power the phone on. While that, let's have a look what we get inside the box. So we've got this little designed by Apple in California. Inside we have a SIM tray, Apple sticker, some documents. We are not going to be looking at this. And new on the iPhone 15 series, so it doesn't matter if you get the standard or the Pro series, we get Type-C cable. And Apple has included a braided Type-C cable. So not just a Type-C, but braided, which is a huge upgrade, I would say. So that is really nice. But let's put that to the side. At the phone here, let's just wait for that to power on. So let's have a look at this. This is a review kit. Ringke, live a better day. Special gift from us to you for VIP. You are amazing. The ultimate experience. Let's open this up. Is there a peel tab anywhere? This. Let me get unboxing knife. Okay, maybe it's not the proper knife, but I think this will do the job. That was nice. Just gonna put this knife to the side. Let's have a look. So inside we do have this Ringke, you are amazing. We have a little small message. If you want to read that, you can do that. But that is really nice. Of course, you are welcome to follow Ringke on their Facebook, Instagram pages as well. I'll leave them in the description as well. Of course, I'll leave a link to my Instagram and TikTok. You are welcome to follow me there. I'm making some different types of content over there. Routines, fitness, just more some daily vlogs. So if you do want to follow me there, make sure you go and do that. But yeah, let's have a look what we get inside. So look at this packaging. Wow. Okay. First of all, we have this camera styling premium camera protector. This will work on both iPhone 15 and 15 Pro, which is really nice. It's like some screen protector. And then of course we have some cases and a screen protector. Inside we have 2 different cases and of course Ringke's tempered glass screen protectors. So I'm not a big fan of tempered glasses. I prefer them just as it is. So I'm not going to be looking at these. But let's just have a look at this one. So let me get my make knife here. Of course, always cut away from you. Open it up. So inside we have a instruction guide, cleaning, and the protector itself. Let's just have a look at this. That's actually nice. So this is like a metallic aluminium black color finish. It's a nice low touch. Feels heavy, I have to say that. Let's look at the case. So we have the Fusion We have the Fusion Bold. Let's go for the Bold case. Something more. Let's open this up. So it's got some foaming, that's what it's going. This is a nice case, I have to say. Of course, this case is not MagSafe compatibility because we don't have any magnets on the back, as you can see. This is a very nice case. Of course, I have used Ringke cases for quite a while now. I'll leave a link to some previous ones I've owned, which I really love, but this one is nice as well, I have to say. It's actually nice. Very simple case. Got a good source of protection all the way around. We do have the little cushions in here for drop protection. Let me put this on. Let's peel this off first, which is going to be a pain. If not, it's going to go easy. Yeah, okay, I got that. Let's go. And then we have one on the inside as well. That's nice. Ooh, it's actually frosted. Look. Let's put this case in. What do you think? Do you like it? Oh, it looks nice. So of course we have the little protection going all the way around. We have this like texture, so it actually grips on really well. It's not going to slide off that easily. Buttons, very well. The new action button. Yeah, that's nice and clicky. Power button. Looks fine. Volume rocker is good. Got a decent cutout for the Type-C. Speaker goes. And we have a decent for the camera bump as well. It goes really well. And then we have these little cushion things when you drop the phone going all the way around in the corners. And let's have a look at the lip. So in the corners you can see it's actually raised quite a bit, which is nice, going all the way around. And on the edge is more thin. And when we come back down here, you can see it's raised up again. I feel like that's really nice. And the hand, I have to say, yeah, it feels nice. Not sure about the black color with this option, but I think if you had a black phone, which I think for the black phone or the blue one, this case will look really nice, but not for this natural color. I mean, it just looks really nice. Of course, with the titanium, it just looks really nice. Let's have a look at the next one. This is the Fusion Clear. I think this will be much nicer choice. So let's open this up. It's much nicer. It's one of the clear cases. And it has got some anti-yellowing as well as the drop protection cushions, as you can see here in the corners. We do have that little cushion bits. That's really nice. It's really good. Of course on the side is TPU, but the back is hard plastic, so that's good. Got some good bend to it, but it's sturdy. And of course this has the film as well, so let's see if we can get this off. That's a clear case. Let's put the phone in. That looks nice. Looks fine. Volume rockers, no issue. Action button. I have to get used to saying this. action button. Works fine. Cutouts, decent size cutout here for the lightning. Type C, speaker goes, it's fine. Camera, we have a decent bump, I have to say. This goes really well. And let's have a look at the lip. So this one has the same kind of lip. It's thick on the edges, but thin near the middle, and on the bottom again, pretty thick. So that's really nice. This one I prefer. You can get to show the color of the phone, the edges as well, so you can see that you're rocking the new iPhone 15 Pro, the natural titanium. I like this. This one is nice as well. This one is a bit more sturdy and protective, I would say. It's thicker, but it has a nice, like, texture feel, I would say. When it's there, but this doesn't feel that slippery, but no, this is nice. But yeah, these are the Ringke Fusion and Fusion Bold.